Our global go-to-market model is we work through local partners. We provide the technology, we provide the platform, but our local partners provide the local service and expertise, and that's a good model for us. We're really excited this week here at Automate because our local partner out of Wisconsin, Doig, they are launching their version of an off-the-shelf palletizer using Ploy. It is completely designed by Doig, a US company for US customers, using Ploy as the engine. And it's really exciting for us because we believe that this is the beginning of a trend that's already happening in Europe. It's already happening in Asia. It's coming to North America as well. And we're now finally getting an opportunity to open up new automation opportunities to small and medium-sized manufacturers in the US who previously may have thought robotics are either too expensive, too complicated, maybe not practical enough. The core of our existence is one system, zero complexity. The reason that we started OnRobot and the value that we tried to create is simplifying the overall application for the system integrator and the end user. We recognize that a lot of companies throughout the world and throughout North America use different robot brands. For that reason, we have made sure that our end effectors, our end of arm tooling, all of our products are seamlessly integrated with all of the major robot brands. This includes cobots and industrial robots. We don't want the limitation of using a good quality, value-driving product to be limited by the fact that somebody doesn't know how to integrate it with a particular robot that they're familiar with. So we have spent a lot of time and energy, and this is where OnRobot's our core value from our beginning was making sure that no matter what robot you're using, cobot or industrial robot, no matter what application you're using, that OnRobot has a solution that's just as easy to work with no matter what the situation is. So just to clarify, we do make more than grippers. We have processing tools like sanders, screwdrivers. We have vision system with our eyes. So we consider ourselves really an end-of-arm tooling company with the next wave, which is the off-the-shelf. And this applies to consistently whether or not it's a turnkey product, our end-of-arm tooling, or off-the-shelf. It works with all major robot brands. There's kind of two main pieces of that. There's the mechanical connection, and then there's the user interface. And so for the mechanical connection, we've harmonized through our quick changer. This is a really key value driver for us. The quick changer allows us to pop on and pop off any end-of-arm tooling that we have onto any robot. So if you have a robot brand A or robot brand B, both working in production, and you need to swap tools, just a pop on, pop off situation. That's been a really big value driver. The second value driver is the user interface, and making sure that whether or not it's a plug-in for a cobot in their own software or whether or not it's a script in an industrial robot, we've made sure that the way that we have designed those interfaces are consistent. So that the way you program one of our grippers, for example, an RG6, you program an RG6 on one robot, you have the exact same experience on another robot. So that helps one user of this product be able to go across robot brands without having to retrain on a brand new user interface or a brand new logic of setup.